Hello students, we are doing problem number 26. So in problem number 26 we have two bonds P and Q. First we are going to do the P, bond P. Face value of bond P is 1000, coupon interest 16% payable annually, years to maturity 8 years, redemption value 1000, current market price 918.5. And what are the yield to maturity, duration and volatilities of these bonds? Just like the previous problem, in this problem also we are required to calculate YTM, duration and volatility. Exactly similar procedure. So bond P will do it now itself, whereas Q you have to do it for your practice. I'll give you the answer. For bond P, we have written C is equal to coupon interest is 16% of 1,160, 8 years, maturity value 1000, current market price. Since the current market price is less than the face value, so the required rate of return may be more than the coupon rate. The coupon rate 16%, so we have assumed it as 18%. Required rate of return बड़ा रहेगा coupon rate से, तो 16 से बड़ा करके हम 18 ले लिए, तो 18 से मालूम करें तो we got value of the bond 918.48. At 18% required rate of return, the value of the bond is 918.48. What is the current market price of the bond? 918.50. Now compare these two values, present value and market price, exactly same, only small difference, 0.02 का difference है, या 918.5 है या 918.48 है. So there is insignificant difference between the present value of the bond and the market price. Negligible difference. So we can take the YTM as 18%. तो YTM 18% ले लिए बगैर interpolation formula के. अब now we have to calculate the duration. Calculation of duration is this one. Calculation of duration. Now, year, 8 years is the life. The life of the bond is 8 years. So, cash flow, every year we are getting a cash flow 160 rupees for 7 years. और 8th year के end में the bondholder will get the maturity value as well as interest, both. So 1000 rupees is the maturity value, 160 rupees is the interest. So 1160 he will get at the end of the 8th year. Now present value factors at 18% because YTM we got 18%. So we'll take required rate of return 18%. At 18% PV factors. Multiply 160 into PV factors, we'll get this cash flow. Multiply year with PV of cash inflow, we'll get the product. Total of the product divided by total of PV of cash inflow, we'll get duration. So we got the duration as 4.91 years. 4.91 years is the duration. And volatility, the sensitivity of the bond price to change with the changes in interest rates. So volatility formula, duration divided by 1 plus YT. So we got 4.16. So this is the answer for bond P. I am giving you the answer for bond Q. First you have to copy down this solution for bond P. Bond Q, YTM is equal to duration is equal to volatility. I am giving you the answer. YTM is 20%. If you do, you will get the YTM as 20%. Then duration you will get 3.89 years. And volatility you will get 3.24. That's it. This is the answer you will get if you do the problem yourself. Bond Q. Exactly same procedure what we have applied in bond P. Now we'll see the 27th problem. Problem number 27. From the following data, from the data available on two securities A and B, compute Macauley's duration. Macaulay has given a specific formula. Whatever we have applied just now, we have applied two problems on duration. The same method is called Macauley's duration. To compute Macauley's duration, A bond, face value of the bond 1000, YTM 6% and coupon rate 7%. So coupon interest is 7% of 1070 rupees and maturity in years 3 years. So 3 years is the maturity period. So we are required to calculate only the duration. So you should write calculation of Macauley's duration, 27th problem. Calculation of Macauley's duration, bond A. First we calculate for bond A. Year, cash flow, PV factors at the rate of 6%, then PV of cash flow, product. Three years, so 1, 2 and 3. So cash flow. How much cash flow every year? 70%. 7% of 1000. 70 rupees and 1070 rupees at the end of third year. Right? And PV rate at 6%. 6% 0.943. 0.890 and lastly 0.840. Multiply 66.01, 62.30, 898.80. Total is 1027.11. 66.01, 124.60, 2696.40, 2887.01. Duration is equal to 2887.01 divided by 1027.11. It comes to 2.81 years. That's it. Exactly same way, no difference at all. So this is the duration for A bond. Now B bond duration, you have to do it yourself. So answer for B bond. Bond B, you have to do it yourself, just like the bond A. Bond A में जैसा calculate करे थे, bond B में भी उसी तरह calculate करेंगे. You will get duration is equal to 3.58 years. The answer will be 3.58 years. So note down the answer for bond B. Duration 3.58 years you should get. Calculate the same way. Next problem. Problem number 28. Find the modified Macauley's duration. Actually, modified Macauley's duration, it is called MMD. It is nothing but volatility. Instead of saying volatility, it is saying modified Macauley's duration. Same formula. Duration divided by 1 plus YTM. Find the modified Macauley's duration on a bond given the following information. Face value of the bond is 1000. Coupon rate 10%. YTM is 12%. Term to maturity 5 years. Coupon payment is annual. So Same procedure. 28th problem. Calculation of Macaulay duration. Year, cash flow, PV factors at the rate of 12%. YTM का rate लेंगे. Then PV of cash flow. Last one, product. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 1 into 4. Years, how many years? 5 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, cash flow. So, coupon rate of interest is 10%. The coupon rate is 10%. What is the face value of the bond? 1000. So, 1000 into 10%, you will get 100. Last case, 1100. Fifth year, redemption of bond price as well as interest, 1100. Now 12% PV factors, 0.893. 797, 712, 636, 567. 89.3, 79.7, 71.2, 63.6 and 623.7, 927.5. Duration is equal to 3835.2 divided by 927.5. So you are going to get 4.13. Next, modified Macaulay duration. MMD. So modified Macaulay duration is same as volatility. Volatility कहो या modified Macaulay duration, दोनों का फॉर्मूला एक ही है, same formula. So we got Macaulay duration 4.13 divided by 1 plus YTM. YTM is 12%. It comes to 3.69. That's all. This is the modified Macaulay duration, MMD. Twenty-ninth problem. 29th problem you can see. See the 29th problem. A bond has a face value of rupees 100 and a 7% coupon. So 7% of 100 rupees, 7 rupees. So every year the coupon interest will be 7 rupees. The yield to maturity is 5%, YTM, required rate of return 5%, and it matures in 5 years. The bond thus pays 7 rupees a year for 5 years and the principal amount of 100 in the 5th year. So pura clearly there are every year 7 rupees he is going to get interest. एवरी ईयर 7 रुपीज, और 5th ईयर के एंड में 7 रुपीज भी मिलेगा और 100 रुपीज प्रिंसिपल, यानी 107। तो फर्स्ट ईयर 7, सेकेंड ईयर 7, फर्स्ट ईयर 7, सेकेंड ईयर 7, थर्ड ईयर 7, फोर्थ ईयर 7, 5th ईयर 107। और पीवी फैक्टर्स जो लेंगे वो YTM कितना है, 5% है, तो पीवी फैक्टर्स 5%। कंप्यूट द मैक्यूलेस ड्यूरेशन, एग्जैक्टली सेम, आई एम गिविंग यू द आंसर फॉर दिस, यू हैव टू डू इट योरसेल्फ। 29th problem, duration is equal to 4.42 years. It is asking you only duration, not MMD. Macular modified नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, only macular's duration. So macular's duration 4.42 you will get if you do it yourself. See here, practice is required. Don't think that by doing 1 or 2 problems we got the concept, we got the knack. No, until and unless you do it yourself for once or twice, then only you will get the confidence, you will get the command, and you won't make the mistake. Now problem number 30. So you have taken 4.42 years, 29th problem. Now problem number 30. See, a bond is available at a price of rupees 102. Bond is available at a price of 102 means it's a market price. It is a market price. The bond has a coupon of 15% and matures in 20 years. Oof. Maturity period 20 years. The bond is callable in 5 years at rupees 111. ये callable bond है, उसकी पूरी maturity की life 20 years है, तो 20 years के बाद matured होगा, but the bond is callable after 5 years. After 5 years, the company has the right to call back the bond, and the callable price is 111. Interest rates are expected to trend downward over the foreseeable future. मार्केट में इंटरेस्ट रेट फॉल होने के चांसेस है। अगर मार्केट रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फॉल हो गए तो बॉन्ड का मार्केट प्राइस बढ़ेगा। द मार्केट प्राइस ऑफ द बॉन्ड विल increase in the foreseeable future. What is the yield to maturity on this bond? What is the yield to call on this bond? In this problem, we have to calculate YTM and also YTC both. Then which yield calculation should an investor regard as the most important for decision making purposes? Why? अब ये दोनों YTM और YTC में कौन सा important है from the point of the investor? From investor's point of view, is it YTM better or YTC better? What he is forecasting is the market price of the bond is going to fall downward in this situation. Which yield is better? So first we calculate YTM and YTC, then we'll decide which one yield is better. Problem number 30. Face value of the bond is not given. Let us assume the face value of bond is equal to rupees 100. So coupon payment C is equal to 15% of rupees 100. 15 rupees. Term to maturity 20 years. Term to call 5 years. Then present market price rupees 102. This is the information given. So first we calculate YTM. See here, the market price is higher. The market price is more than the face value. Face value of the bond 100 rupees है, जबकि market price of bond 102 चल रहा है, तो bond is attractive. When the bond will be attractive? When the required rate of return is less than the coupon rate. When the required rate of return is less than the coupon rate, तो coupon rate क्या है यहाँ पर 15% है, तो market में required rate of return 15 से कम है ना, then only the market price will be more. तो market price जब भी ज्यादा रहता जब required rate of return कम रहेगा. तो let the required rate of return be the 14%. सपोज करें यहाँ 15% कूपन है तो उससे कम ले लिया 14%. Now we calculate what is the value of the bond. C into C कितना आ रहा? कूपन इंटरेस्ट 15. PVAF 14% for how many years? 20 years. Maturity period is 20 years. Plus maturity value is 100. PVF 14% 20 years. So V is equal to 15 into plus 100 into. Now 20 years 14%. 20 years 14% is 6.623. And 0.073. So it will be 99.345 plus 7.3. This is the value. Present value of the bond. Market price of the bond is equal to rupees 102. Market price of the bond is 102, whereas the intrinsic value we got 106. तो क्या करेंगे? To decrease this value of the bond, we have to increase the rate. अब इसको 106 है, हमको लाना कहां पर है? 102. So to decrease this value of the bond, we have to increase the rate. To decrease the present value of bond, we increase the rate. Let the new rate be 16%. पहले 14 लिए थे, अब 16 लेंगे. तो V is equal to 15 into PVAF 16% 20 years plus 100 into PVF 16% 20 years. So 16% 20 years 5.929. Here 0.051. So V is equal to 88.935 plus 5.1. It comes to 94.035. So one value we got more than 102, the other value we got less than. So present value of bond at the rate of 14%. 14% we got 106.645. At 16% we got 94.035. Current market price is 102. Therefore, YTM lies between 14% and 16%. 14 और 16 के बीच में YTM है. तो YTM is equal to RL plus PVL minus MP, PVL minus PVH into delta R. Four 0.645, 12.61, 14 plus 0.74. Come on, we got the answer. One answer we got YTM. So So it is asking you to calculate YTM and YTC. So take a pause and then copy down this calculation of YTM. Now we calculate B point. YTC, yield to call. Callable after 5 years. At rupees 111. In the problem it is given, the bond is callable after 5 years at a redemption price of 111. Right? So, PV of cash flow at 15%. So V is equal to, what is the coupon interest? 15 rupees. PVAF 15% for 5 years plus 111 into PVF 15% for 5 years. Now 15% 5 years, 3.352, and here it is 0.497. So V is equal to 50.28 plus 55.167 is equal to rupees 105.447. Current market price 102. So we have to decrease. Actually, we need the current market price 102, but we are getting 105. So to decrease the present value, we increase the rate. Let the new rate be 17%. First we have taken 15%. At 15% we are getting a higher value. 102 आने के बजाय 105 आ गया, ज़्यादा आ गया. So to decrease this present value of bond, we have to increase the rate. Suppose we are going to find out at 17%. V is equal to 15 into PVAF 17% for 5 years plus 111 PVF 17% 5 years. Seventeen percent 5 years, we are getting 3.199. 0.456. So V is equal to 47.985 plus 50.616. 98.601. So present value of bond at the rate of 15%, present value of bond at the rate of 17%. Current market price. तो 17% से आ गया 98.601, 15% से 105.447. Current market price is 102. Therefore, YTC lies between 15% and 17%.